In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from Slack account. By the end, you'll know how to sign out of a workspace, switch between workspaces, and understand the sign-in options you might see afterward so you can wrap up your day confidently. First, open Slack in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're looking at your workspace. Before you log out, take a moment to click into one of your channels. This quick check helps you confirm there are no unread messages or last-minute mentions to respond to. It's a good habit to scan your main channel or any priority channels before signing off. When you're ready, open your account menu. In most layouts, this is accessible from your profile area or account section in the upper interface. From there, choose the option to sign out of the current workspace. Slack will sign you out of that workspace specifically, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can either switch workspaces or sign in again. Next, click your profile photo or workspace avatar in the upper left. This opens controls related to your current session. Here, look for an item that references cookies or other workspaces. This section shows the workspaces your browser remembers, so you can review where you're still signed in without logging out of all of them at once. It's simply a way to see your Slack footprint on that device. Now, choose another workspace from the list to switch to it. In the example you're seeing, we're selecting a different workspace name to illustrate the process. Once that second workspace loads, repeat the same steps. Open the account menu and select the sign out option for that workspace. This is the key idea with Slack on the web. Each workspace session is separate, so you'll want to sign out from each one individually if you use more than one. After signing out, you'll land on a page inviting you to sign in again. You'll typically see a Sign In to Workspace button. Below or nearby, Slack often provides several sign-in choices. To help you recognize them, I'm going to click through the options so you see where they live on screen. You may see Sign In with Google, Sign In with Apple, and an option to use your email. If you pick email, Slack may offer to send a one-time code for quick access, but there's also a link to sign in with a password instead if that's what you prefer or what your organization requires. The best choice is the one your team has set up for your account. Sometimes Slack detects that you're already signed in to a different workspace in the same browser. In that case, you might see a message that says you're already signed in elsewhere. Clicking that prompt takes you straight back to that active session, which can be helpful if you accidentally navigated away or closed a tab. You might also notice a link labeled Cookies on the sign-in page. Clicking it shows details about how Slack stores information in your browser to keep you signed in and help you switch between workspaces. From there, you can return and select a specific workspace from the list to open it again if you need to verify access. To wrap up, remember this flow. Check a channel to confirm you're done, open your account menu, and sign out of the current workspace. If you use multiple workspaces, switch to each one and repeat the sign out step for all of them. Afterward, you'll see the familiar sign in page with options for Google, Apple, or email, and a link to use a password if needed. That's all there is to logging out cleanly in Slack while staying aware of other active sessions on your device.